Hey guys, Mr. Thivierge here, and welcome to my very first ever video lesson. We're going to be looking today at practice test 01 for building the rule of a line. And of course, when we see the words rule of a line, we know right away that we're going to be dealing with a very special formula. Y is equal to AX plus B, where we know that A is of course the rate of change, or the slope of the line, and B is otherwise known as the initial value of the line. So we'll take a look at question 1. Question 1 says, what is the slope of a line that travels through the coordinate negative 27, 13 and negative 54, negative 68? The key word here that we want to address is this word right here, slope, which we've put in bold for you, and which of course we know represents the rate of change. And we also know that that slope has a very special formula. A is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now, we're going to get the y's and the x's for this formula from the points that have been given to us in the equation. And so we will label those points in advance as x1, y1, and x2, y2, in order to not get confused and to not make any mistakes when we're just doing the inputs. So now that we have the formula and we've identified our x's and y's appropriately, we can go ahead and plug them into the formula. So y2, negative 68, divided by, subtract y1, 13, divided by x2, negative 54, minus, be careful now, negative 27. And I'll use these brackets just to offset the fact that I'm subtracting a negative, to really kind of make that stand out to you, so that you don't make any calculation errors here. And so now I'm ready to use my calculator, and I will go negative 68 minus 13, and that will come to negative 81. And then on the bottom of the fraction, I'll have to subtract the x's, so negative 54 minus, and now you have to be careful here, negative 27. And that also comes to 81, except this time a positive 81. And so of course we know in this case that the slope will be negative 1. And so the rate of change for this particular line would be negative 1. Now, if we wanted to do more, of course we would know that having found that A, we would really still need to find the B. Once you know that A, it's actually quite easy to go ahead and find the B, and we're going to look at how to do that in the next question, question 2.